In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to rename the computer. There are multiple ways how we will be able to access the computer name. If I want to see the computer name, I can just click on the Start menu and I'll go to the settings. If I click on the settings, I need to select System. You'll be able to see we have the system name here. If you remember, we set up computer name during Windows 11 installation process. If the name is not good, you don't like the name of the computer what you have given, you can always rename the computer name. This is one way how you can rename the computer name, or you can simply right click on the Start menu, go to the System option, and you can select this option to rename this PC. So this is under System, About, and you will be able to rename the PC. Using the command line, I can use the command line. If I open the CLI utility, if I enter the command host name, it will give me the name of the computer. Till it is loading. This is the user ID which we have used to log into the computer, and if I use the command host name, it will give the name of the computer. So this is the name which we have given to the computer. Now I want to give some meaningful name, so I will rename this PC, and I will rename the PC as Tom Home Computer, or I will say laptop. I'll click on next. Once the name has been set, we need to restart the computer so that the name will take effect. I need to restart the computer. So I'll click on Restart Now. After restarting the computer, if I want to check the computer name, I'll go to the Start, right click, then select System. Whatever new name we have assigned, that should be visible here. So this is the new name what we have given. And if I go to the command prompt, if I use the CLI utility, I can enter host name. Now we are able to see the name what we have given to this computer. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next topic.